Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. Today is February 9th, 2026 and MQM News Network is present in Salegaon at the Goa State Pollution Control Board office. Just yesterday on February 8th, a notification, a circular had come out banning fireworks in tourist establishments across North Goa. Today, a brand new circular has come out banning fireworks across South Goa and Kushavati also. All through the state of Goa, fireworks have been banned. Today, we are at the Goa State Pollution Control Board office to speak with the chairman, Levinson Martins. We want to understand what exactly is the action that has been taken with 38 sound monitoring systems that have been set up, with 9 sound monitoring coastal stations that have been set up. Did the pollution board not notice the all-night parties that happened at W Goa, the hilltop party at Aura, the all-nighter party at Astoria, the all-nighter party at several illegal establishments across Goa? We are here for accountability and we are here with a victim of Riva Beach Resort, Agnello Fernandez, a neighbor of Riva Beach Resort who has been at the hands of harassment by Sachin Nayak of Riva Beach Resort. We are here to demand accountability. Stay tuned into MQM News Network as we take you through the process of what a common man goes through for justice, what a common person goes through. Every car that is parked in the parking area of GSP CB, as you see behind me, are carrying number plates of different states of India. All business owners are here inside. For what reason? Let's see what the common man gets. Does the common man get justice? Will the law apply uniformly? This is Misbah Qadri reporting for MQM News Network. Stay tuned in as we take you through the entire process of Goa State Pollution Control Board, because after losing 25 lives in Birch by Romeo Lane, it's high time that GSPCB does not remain a toothless tiger, but come out in the open and seal establishments as the due process demands. Just putting up sound monitoring systems outside W Goa on Vagator Beach to check the levels of sound, to check the sound decibel is not enough. Where is the report? What action is being taken? Now more parties are upcoming on February 14th weekend. Will there be action on illegal properties by Goa State Pollution Control Board? This is the question MQM News Network demands.
So right now we are present at the GSPCB office. Dr. Levinson is in the cabin but has refused to meet us. Sitting right there, not meeting us because he has files to clear. He's sitting right in there and he has refused to meet us. So we are at the GSPCB office, and since Dr. Levinson has refused to meet us, we are submitting a written copy of the complaint, and we've travelled all the way to Salegaon. Dr. Levinson is not meeting us because he has to clear files. So this is a complaint that we are submitting and hoping to see some positive action.
So we have just come out of the meeting with the member secretary because Dr. Levinson refused to meet us, and the entire pollution office is empty. And as expected, as we had predicted, once we got out of the meeting room from the member secretary's office, Dr. Levinson has disappeared. So we filed a complaint today. We have given a written complaint. Agnello has submitted a written complaint. Today is February 9th. We will keep you posted on what happens ahead. We have just stepped out of Goa State Pollution Control Board office, where Dr. Levinson Martins refused to meet with us, refused to speak to us. As soon as he got to know that we have come here to file a complaint to talk about Riva Beach Resort's rampant illegal pollution, be it about water, be it about sound, be it about beach, in every way and sense, Riva Beach Resort has been breaking the laws, just like multiple other illegal constructions across the coastline of Goa. Today, we demand accountability. Dr. Levinson Martins has refused to speak with us. We tried our best to speak with him. He has refused to meet with us. We had a meeting with the member secretary of GSPCB, Geeta. The member secretary has assured us that there will be positive action taken against Riva Beach Resort and similar illegal properties that break the law brazenly. We will keep you posted in real time about the updates around this development. Stay tuned into MQM News Network as we continue to track this developing story.